you're encountering the dreaded Dolphin Android game disk could not be read error, and we're fixing it right now. This issue stops your gaming dead in its tracks, but this guide will walk you through every necessary step to get your games running again on your Android device. First, we need to make absolutely sure the game file itself isn't the problem. Corrupted or incomplete files are the most common culprits for this error, so verify its integrity and re-download if there's any doubt. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue might be with how the emulator is allowed to access your files, which brings us to the second method, granting storage permissions. Head into your Android settings, find Dolphin, and make sure it has full access to your storage so it can properly read game disks. If you're still stuck, it's time to update, and that's our third method. Go to the official Dolphin website, grab the latest version, uninstall your current one, and install the fresh build to ensure you have all the latest fixes. Finally, if none of that works, clearing the emulator's cache is our fourth and final step to resolve the game disk could not be read error. This removes temporary data that might be causing conflicts.